the accent on the A, and welcome to the Cherie Danae Show. Yo, I am very excited to start this journey. It's January 1st, so we starting off bigger and better. Now, as y'all can see, we in a new little setup. I had to give y'all some pink, had to give y'all the girly vibes, because we're here for the girl talk. We're on the pink couch. This is a safe space. Child, we gonna talk about everything. And I'm so excited. But before I jump into today's episode, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, because I'm uploading every Monday. Yes, I am. And make sure you guys can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, all that, @Cherie_Danae. And let's get right into it. Woo! So y'all, it's January 1st. Yay! We made it through another year. Child, 2023. It was difficult, it was hard, but we made it through. I'm so proud of you, I'm so proud of me. Let me remind you, as we go into 2024 and we're making all these goals, please reflect on all you did last year. Because I know it's easy to just be like, okay, whatever, 2024, I'm doing what I need to do, I'm writing down, making a vision board, doing all that. But it's like, girl, pump the brakes. You did a lot 2023. Be proud of yourself, reflect on that, and appreciate that. Because every little moment counts. Don't just speed past your journey. Enjoy it. Another thing I want to get into today is vision boards, because I know we're already planning and setting goals for 2024. Now, child, my vision board for 2023, I had it all set, all cute, had it hanging in my bedroom, saw it every morning when I got up. Let me tell you now, I did not achieve everything that was on my vision board. I just did, and that's okay. That is okay. I feel like we see so much of everybody just achieving so many different things, and then you start feeling like you're lacking. You are on your journey. You are on your path. You are doing everything you need to do because you're doing your best. And that's all you can do. Because best believe this year I did my best. I did my very best. I was clawing to get to the finish line. I did my best. I did accomplish a lot of things, but a lot of things I also just didn't get around to, or I got busy with this, I got busy with that, just still trying to handle everything. We got to realize that every new day is a new chapter and a new page in your book. And that's where it goes into, I'm all for planning for your future. I'm all for setting goals. I'm all for having a mindset to achieve, because that's what you should want. You should always push to be the best version of yourself, be the best you can be, and do the things that's going to take you there. But also understand, if you don't meet something by a certain time frame, it's okay. Because at the end of the day, everything is on God's timing. That's just it. We can sit here and say, oh, I want this by this month, this by this month. We can try to get there and do all the work, but if it don't get there, don't get there. That doesn't mean to stop trying. That doesn't mean to just throw away your dream. Keep going, because there are a lot of things on my vision board that I'm just like, okay, I would have loved this happen this year, but guess what? It didn't. That doesn't mean I'm just gonna be like, all right, whatever. We're just gonna scratch it all off and we're gonna just do a whole new 2024 vision board. No, I'm literally keeping my same vision board up in my room, because the goals that I had for last year are the same goals I have for this year. The same mindset I want to have for this year. I'm growing as a woman every single day. And that just doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't just happen in a month. It doesn't just happen in a year. I'm growing my whole entire life. So I'm going to make sure that I'm doing the best that I can every day, and understand that it is a journey. So when you're going through those times where you're feeling like you're lacking, where you're feeling like maybe you're falling behind because you're seeing somebody else doing this or somebody else doing that, or you're like, oh, I should have did all this. It's okay. Everything's in God's timing. Just have faith. Do the work and have faith in God, because everything's going to work in God's timing. As long as you move forward and have faith and understand that everything's going to work out, because it's going to work out. You believe in loving God and you doing everything that you need to do and doing your best. It's going to work out, baby. It's going to work out. It may be hard. God ain't say it wasn't going to be hard. It's going to be hard, but we're going to get it through. Because 2024, going in with a fighting spirit. We say, we doing the best we can this year. We're going to keep going every single day, because I deserve the best. You deserve the best. So you know what? We're going to get the best. Okay. So you know what that means? We got to hold ourselves accountable. Because honestly, the biggest thing with a lot of things is consistency. It is. A lot of things we can just keep going and doing what we need to do, but it's just like, then we fall off. Maybe a week we're in the gym and the next week we're not. Or maybe a week we're working on this and then we just not. You know what I'm saying? We got to push it. But you have to be your own motivator. You need to understand that, I want to be better than I was yesterday. I am my own competition. So I'm going to keep doing what I need to do so I can be better. You know what I'm saying? Not better than that girl, not better than that girl, not better than that girl. I want to be better than myself. I want to better myself. You know what I'm saying? When you're just focused on you and pouring into yourself, that's what we need to do this year. Just pour into yourself. That's what we need to do our whole entire lives. Pour into yourself. Because as long as we're pouring into ourselves and doing what we need to do and knowing that we are that girl, we're going to make it. This is going to be a boom, boom, boom. Greatness is just going to come. Because we exude greatness. We exude excellence. So we're going to get that. Honey, this year going to be good. We're going to check back in at the end of the year. Baby, watch. We're going to say all these things that happened this year. And it's going to be good. Done. Finished. Finito. All right, guys. Thank you guys for joining me in my first episode of the Cherie Danae Show. I'm so excited to start this journey with you guys. I am so just grateful for the community that I've built on all my platforms. Y'all, we coming together. You know, I'm here to help y'all. I'm your internet big sis, so I'm gonna tell you the truth. Okay? I'll see you guys in my next episode. I love you guys. Bye.